Okay, this is perhaps, and I offered this to a charity group over the weekend because it's 102 degrees here in the San Gabriel Valley of California.
Oh, is that all?
They wanted a red wine for
a cold snap?
Yeah, they wanted a red wine for a charity event. I said you have to pour. I go put a little chill on this. This is Pinot Noir from the Dolomites, which is up
really
by
amazing.
the Italian-Austrian border.
It's the first one I've ever tasted.
So we're driving down from the Dolomites. We had seen the 5,000-year-old man Otzi, and I see this pear grove. And I'm going, I've never ever picked a pear from a tree and had a fresh pear. Have you ever done that?
No.
And I wanted to do it.
And I got caught, so I guess it doesn't count.
So I pull over, and my wife's like, "What are you doing?" My kid's like, "Dad." I'm like, "I want to taste a fresh pear. I'll just grab one and we'll take off." "No, you can't get out." You know, they got all pissed off and never got to do it.
You're kidding.
But right from this district of,
this is really unbelievable. I mean, absolutely unbelievable for that kind of money. I mean, I've never tasted a Pinot Noir from there. I didn't even know they grew Pinot Noir. $12.99 on the shelf, $6.99 in real. I'm doing a 95 just on the fact that it's so good, and it's Pinot Noir from Italy.
I'm not sure $12.99 is accurate.
Wow, it smells like Pinot Noir. It just
the reason we're able to offer this for $6.99 is because the people that bring this into the country, we've been doing business with them for 20 years. They had a lot extra that needed to move, and they said we had take it. I said, "Well, let me taste it."
Oh yeah.
I'm like, hell yeah. I knew it was good because I've tasted many vintages, but you got to make sure. I'm like, I'll take it, and you give me the offer. I'll sell it for $6.99, and they were okay with that because sometimes they're not.
It's
right?
killer. I mean, I was shocked when I first tasted this wine, and I'm going, God. I mean, first of all, you will see so little Pinot Noir in the entire country of Italy.
That's true.
I mean, there just isn't much there, I mean, other than in where they are, up in the northeast, where it's cooler. But still, I mean, to have
if you drive down from there and you go down to Lake Garda, which is about 2 hours, you'll pass Garda Land.
Is that like Disneyland?
Yes, exactly. Except the difference is you take 3 steps and you go from Adventureland to Tomorrowland because it's so small. And you're looking at the map going, wait a minute, did I just pass through Tomorrowland? It's so cheesy, but the kids had a good time. All right.
And last but not least,
our friend.